Wall Street is preparing for quantum computing, are you? Right now, beneath the gleaming towers of the world's most powerful financial institutions, a silent revolution is brewing. Classical trading algorithms, the backbone of modern finance for decades, are approaching their limits. The markets are evolving faster than traditional computing can handle, and the race to quantum supremacy in finance has already begun. Every millisecond, stock exchanges process millions of transactions. Classical computers running today's trading algorithms analyze historical data, identify patterns, and execute trades at lightning speed. But here is the fundamental problem. Classical systems operate in binary, processing information as either 0 or 1. When markets shift unpredictably, these rigid systems struggle to evaluate every possible variable simultaneously, leaving billions of dollars in missed opportunities on the table every single day. Quantum computers operate on qubits, which can exist as 0, 1, or both simultaneously through a phenomenon called superposition. Combined with quantum entanglement, these machines can process astronomical combinations of financial data in fractions of the time classical computers require. Imagine analyzing every possible portfolio configuration across global markets simultaneously. That is the raw power quantum computing brings to trading floors. Leading hedge funds and financial giants like JP Chase and Goldman Sachs are already investing heavily in quantum research. Quantum algorithms are being designed to optimize portfolios, detect fraud patterns, and price complex derivatives with unprecedented accuracy. Artificial intelligence integrated with quantum systems creates trading models that learn, adapt, and predict market behavior at a scale previously considered impossible. The institutions that master quantum computing first will hold an extraordinary competitive advantage. Classical trading algorithms will not disappear overnight, but their dominance is undeniably fading. The quantum era of finance is not a distant dream. It is actively being built right now. So the only question remaining is whether you will be ready when it arrives.